Good morning, everyone. Today we are performing inorganic chemistry practical, and the aim of this experiment is to determine the acetic acid in commercial vinegar using NaOH. For this experiment, we have taken 3 gram of NaOH and 3.15 gram of oxalic acid. Apparatus required for this experiment is a burette, a pipette, a dropper, 5 ml acetic acid solution. Now dissolve 3 gram of NaOH in 100 ml of water and transfer it to the 250 ml volumetric flask till the water reaches to the mark point. Now transfer this solution to the burette. Similarly, make the solution of oxalic acid in 100 ml volumetric flask. Now pipette out 10 ml of oxalic acid solution and transfer it to the titration flask. Now add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to it. Then place the conical flask under the burette and open the stopcock slowly to add the NaOH solution. The end point is near when the solution starts changing the color pink. At this point, open the stopcock slowly, adding drop by drop. At this point, record the final volume of NaOH when the solution turns to pink. Now transfer 5 ml of acetic acid into the beaker and add water to it so that 100 ml of the solution is prepared. Then pipette out 10 ml of acetic acid into the conical flask, add few drops of phenolphthalein into it and place the conical flask under the burette. Open the stopcock slowly to add the NaOH solution. The end point was nearer when the solution starts change color pink. Record the final volume of NaOH when the solution turns to pink. Repeat the experiment 2 to 3 times and note down the final volume. Observation of the experiment is NaOH versus oxalic acid. Weight of the NaOH solution is approximate 3 gram. Volume of solution prepared is 100 ml. Volume of oxalic acid is 10 ml taken. Normality of oxalic acid is zero point 0.5 normal. Calculation using normality equation N1V1 is equals to N2V2. Normality of the NaOH solution is found to be 0.657 normal. Second titration is NaOH versus acetic acid solution. Here using again normality equation we have found the normality of acetic acid is 0.6635 normal. Strength of the acetic acid is equals to normality into equivalent weight is equals to 39.81 gram per liter. Result of this experiment is strength of the acetic acid is equals to 39.81 gram per liter. Thank you.